Lady Mabel Adeze Okeke Mbadiaka Stainless Adadiora Mma. Oh, now our president UmuAda Igbo Dallas of the world. Then I hear her husband Sanjo Okeke Mbadiaka Ojuwona, one of the founding father Johnny Okeke. Johnny Okeke, they were the founding father Igbo Community Association of Nigeria, CFW. Co-founder, People's Club of Nigeria International, CFW, Petro, Governor of the Western Club, Joe, but yes, got you one. Obiana Batayana, member. Johnny, your parents are too much. Your parents are wonderful. God is the again to go and eat the prayer. Then remember, President America. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Founder, Lady Bibi. Our next, the next person to address us briefly will be the President herself, Lady Mabel, President, GFW Chapter.
Hello, UmuAda International in Dallas, Fort Worth. This is our second induction, convention, and ceremony. Presidential address. My name is Lady Mabel Adeze Okeke Stainless Adadiora. Honorable Chairman and Co-Chair, our distinguished supporters of the chair, our founder and grand patron, Dr. Lady Bridget Acknowledgments, traditional rulers and chiefs, our international President, Lolo Christy Wewu, national executives and board members, branch presidents, all UmuAda, Madam, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this occasion. The induction ceremony is an event of UmuAda International that every member looking forward to attending, because it gives members from various branches all over the world the opportunity to come together, plan, interact, know one another, exhale, and enjoy a weekend away from home. On behalf of UmuAda Dallas Fort Worth branch, I thank all our distinguished husbands that are men of noble character for all their support and encouragement through the years. Especially thanks to my beloved husband, Sir Joe Ngwajiaka Ochikwara I of UmuAda, for this great support throughout this period. So all my amazing children, Harris, Chester, Vestina, and Jody, may God bless you all. May I also thank everybody who has come here tonight to honor our invitation. I applaud you all to relax and enjoy this ceremony. I will not end my speech without extending my sincere thanks to all UmuAda Marama from branches all over the world for taking their time and expenses to show their love and support to our dear branch. Thank you very, very much. May God bless UmuAda worldwide. Love always, Lady Mabel Ades Okeke Ngwajiaka, stainless, one Adajorama.
Hey!
Thank you for all of you accepting our invitation. UmuAda Maramwe, UmuAda Maramwa, UmuAda Maramwa, Chukwu gozie Unucha for coming over here. And Chukwu gozie everybody who is here. Thank you very much.
Thank you.